Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter of today.
Objection.
This matter has not been heard.
No, my lord.
Oh, window. How long?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
How many respondents are there?
One respondent, my lord.
Only one.
There are 2 respondents. Against one, an ex parte has already been passed by the Supreme Court.
On premier by the appellant. The appellant. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we were supposed to file the written arguments. Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 days' time.
Miss, the counsel for the respondent has sought for some more time to file the written argument. As prayed for, this is matter up to 1 week.
Much obliged.
Item number 1.
May please, Your Lordship. So this is a bail application under the POCSO. This is the second bail application, my lord. And notice is to go to respondent number 3, the complainant. I think it will go through IO.
Heard Mr. R. Gurung, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that this application is made with a prayer for grant of bail. The petitioner himself is the accused.
My lord?
Petitioner himself is the accused.
No, petitioner is the wife.
On behalf of the wife, on behalf of the accused husband of the petitioner. The matter being one under the POCSO Act, the learned counsel has submitted that the complainant is made. The complainant has been arraigned as respondent number 3 herein. It is prayed that notice may be allowed to be issued to the said complainant through the IO. Mr. K. Khan, the PP, has entered appearance on behalf of the respondents number 1 and 2. As such, no formal notice is required once these respondents, on the said respondents. Let notice be, the petitioner takes steps for issuance of notice upon the respondent number 3 through the IO, who will file the compliance and service report on the next date fix.
My lord, in this case, I think prosecution will take these steps, my lord. Because IO is...
You have to prepare.
My lord. My lord.
And they'll have to take steps.
My lord.
In fact, I said,
My lord.
IO to take steps.
My lord.
I mean, IO to file the compliance report. I think so far this has proved okay.
Yes, in fact, this is the case. In the first round of litigation, this was the same party where we laid down the guideline.
Exactly, my lord. Exactly.
Second. So far, it's functioning well, Lordship, at least. We don't have a hitch till now. Let's see.
At par with the daily High Court, my lord.
Okay. This is matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 2.
May I please, Lord? The petitioner dared students of CMJ University, my lord. They have already completed their PhD course and MPhil courses, and presently they are working in some colleges and schools, my lord. As because your lordship knows that CMJ University has been closed down.
What is your prayer? What is your prayer?
No, this notice may be issued because similar prayer.
I believe, if I am not mistaken, similar matter has been placed before the
Yes,
court.
my lord. It's pending, my lord.
No, where the SLP has been filed for some court.
Yes, my lord.
You have that copy of the order?
Now review is that has been disposed of, my lord. SLP.
No, just that was 1 week ago or so.
Now they've filed a review, my lord. The review is pending now, my lord.
Review.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, may it please your lordship, before we travel there, lordship, this matter has been filed by the petitioner and 24 others. There's no letter of authority, lordship, authorizing the petitioner to appear on behalf of the other 24 petitioners.
We filed the Okalot my lord. All the Okalot are there.
It's not that, my lord. There's no authorization letter because the affidavit is signed only by one petitioner, lordship.
Yes, my lord. The affidavit isn't filed by one petitioner, but we have filed the Okalot for all the other.
There should be a letter of authorization.
Yeah, that should be there.
We'll file that.
Bakanama may be there, no doubt.
Yes,
huh? But in spite of that, see, if one person is representing all the others,
Yes, my lord. We have made a statement there.
suppose he concede to what the others doesn't agree, then what happens? Doesn't mean that they will accept it automatically.
We'll rectify that. We'll file this thing, authority letter.
Lordship,
But in the
then
meantime, I think you just check on that, because if I recall correctly, just a while ago, in fact, that was last week or so, in a similar case, one order of the Supreme Court was handed over to this court, where this matter has been taken cognizance of by the Supreme Court. If not stay, at least some order has been passed for issuance of notice. So, you just check on that.
My lord, if your lordship permits me to address the court, on 18th of this month, the review notice was issued, where in the review petition, the CMJ has spread about the fate of the 9,000 students.
Okay.
9,000 students, where the Honorable Supreme Court took the matter and thought that it necessary for the UGC to be heard in the matter. So the notice has been given to UGC to hear the matter, and the matter is coming up before the Supreme Court within 2 weeks.
Exactly.
That is the latest position so far the apex court is concerned. But so far these petitions are concerned, my lord, well, we have filed a Wakalatama for all the petitioners with a specific prayer. But as my learned friend has just pointed out, that there has to be an authorization letter. Because we practice in Guwahati High Court, normally that is not done, so we are not aware of that. And if your lordship permits, we'll rectify that in the meantime. Your lordship was pleased to issue notice in that another petition filed by the CMJ in WPC number 253 of 2025. The matter is also coming up. So if your lordship is pleased, subject to our rectification, notice may kindly be issued. In the meantime, we undertake to give that authorization letter, because the practice, we are a little new to that practice of giving authorization letter. That's my humble submission, my lord.
Heard Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Sanjishila, Learned Senior G, who has accepted notice on behalf of the respondents number
1, 2, and 3, lordship.
1, 2, and 3, respectively. At the outset, the Learned Senior GA has pointed out that this application has been filed by as many as 25
lordship.
petitioners, and the matter before this court has been taken up only by the respondent, petitioner number 1, on his behalf as well as on behalf of all the other petitioners. However, authorization as far as the other 24 petitioners are concerned is missing, and as such, the petitioner number 1 could not have appeared on their behalf without such authorization. At this point, the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners has submitted that notice may be allowed to be issued on the other respondents, and in the meantime, an undertaking is given that the said authorization would be furnished for this court within the next date fix. How many respondents are there? Only, okay.
4, Lordship.
Oh, yes. Accordingly, let notice be issued upon the respondent number 4. The petitioners are directed to file the said authorization within the next date fix. Place this matter. This kedikan atau itu? Dari kiri ini. You know when's the date of the fix for
Not
the?
that has been fixed, but it was after 3 weeks.
We'll try to see and adjust.
My lord.
This is matter 3 weeks.
No. Oh yeah, for us.
The other matter?
On that day when the matter came out.
This is matter after 2 weeks.
Authorised, my lord.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, conducting counsel is out of station, Lordship. Therefore, I humbly pray, may this matter take up on Friday, Lordship.
No interim order.
No interim order, Lordship.
Mr. General Counsel has submitted that the conducting counsel, Mr. S.A. Sheikh, is out of station, this matter may be adjourned for the day and to be fixed on some other dates. So it's agreed to by the parties. This is matter on
Friday, Lordship. 29.
29th. This is matter on 29th.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 6.
May it please, Lord. My lord, as per the order dated 18/8, my lord, we have taken steps, my lord. So 14/8, my lord, upon the respondent number 2, my lord.
May it please your Lordship, it appears that service is not yet complete, Lordship.
Matter is from
Nongpu, my lord.
No more, Lordship.
My lord, if possible, my lord, kindly fix it on my 28, my lord. By this time, my lord, maybe my lord notice may be returned. And my friend, my lord, if she takes some pain, my lord,
yes, of course.
to ensure, my
It's
lord.
incumbent upon
Pain will not be taken, Lordship. Just some effort will be taken, Lordship.
whatever. Bill matters.
My Lord,
have to
efforts
be
will be made, my Lord.
priority.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Anjishla Larat CAG has submitted that the IO has not yet filed the compliance report. As such, it is not known as to whether the notice was actually issued, notice was actually affected on the respondent number
3.
3. Displayed at some more time will be allowed in this regard. Item is there, appears for the petitioner. As prayed for, pray aloud, let the IO file the said report within the next date fix. This is matter on 28.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Alright,
Lordship, I want to make a small.
sorry.
In fact, in that item number 4, her senior has already informed me that they have closed the submission. So it will be for judgment, Your Lordship. She will confirm.
Prayer is made for filing of the written argument.
That was, I think she was wrongly informed.
How can you orders already been passed?
Can it be tomorrow, Your Lordship?
What is your instruction?
Your Lordship, Senior
close
Counsel has just informed me. He said if Your Lordship may kindly reserve the judgment.
This cannot be. You have to once you appear before court, you have to be sure of your
Your Lordship,
order
my
has already been
apologies.
passed.
Your Lordship, I received different instructions. That's why, Your Lordship, I apologize.
They have not sought our permission also for asking time, Your Lordship. That will be reserved for judgment, Your Lordship.
You will say all the
Yes. All submission completed.
submission complete. Written argument file.
No, it's just
Oh, it has
submission and that
I think there was an order.
some points were fine.
No, there was an order for filing of written argument.
On their prayer, on the junior's prayer.
So that has to be, written argument is, you see, mostly for the convenience of the court. It is not that, it's incumbent upon the parties to do it or not.
Your Lordship,
So
can
that
I
is,
request?
it is convenient for the court
Let it
to
come tomorrow. In fact, they said that they have completed.
complete, argument may be completed. Oral
No, the
argument-
written submission, whatever if the court wants, they are ready to file, Your Lordship.
Oh,
Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
matter, see, I think the order has already been passed. Let it come next week.
Much obliged.